National Weather Service in Upton has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect from 6 a.m. Friday to 1 p.m. Saturday. Heavy snow and strong winds. Accumulations. Snow accumulation of 10 to 15 inches. Temperatures dropping into the 20s by evening.
Ground, eating the streamers. So we're out here, it's winter, the water's cold, we're throwing streamers, but we're sneaking through the low water in the Flycraft, handling the big water no problem. Got a steady oarsman here. We've been catching them pretty steady, mostly browns, a few rainbows. They're liking slower retrieves, the water's cold, we're stripping them fast and then sometimes pausing. They're eating a lot on that pause. So being that it's quite cold, we haven't yet reached freezing temps in the last 2 days. We've had the river largely to ourselves except for the eagles, like that one flying right there. Yesterday we didn't see a single boat. Today there were a couple other boats at the launch, but we haven't seen any out on the water. It's been just absolutely amazing. It's cold, it's a little bitter. You gotta, layer up, make you look like the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. But if you do all that, it's a really, really good time.